Leo singers, I hope you're doing well. So this is going to be your second week of September reading. So this is a single reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Watch out the other signs too for the more clarification of your situation. So take whatever it resonates and leave the rest in behind. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the red bell icon for the notifications and updates. So let's see, Leo singles, what's coming for you for the second week of September. Let's see what's coming for you. Okay. So Leo singles, let's see. Six of Pentacles, Judgment. So we have the Six of Pentacles and the Judgment card that came out. A balance, equal give and take. I feel like in the past you might have not had that. Maybe you were in a relationship in the past where you feel like things were unfair to you and you feel like people were giving you just enough. So the relationship still exists and one point. And you were like, what I'm done, I need to change everything about my life, especially the people I partnered up with. So Leo singers, I need something new, you said to yourself. So you are about to definitely meet someone who is on your level with the Judgment card is. The universe is giving you the blessings you want to give equal, balancing things, give equal and take. This is a new person who gives you equal and take, who gives you balancing in your life with the Judgment, right? So definitely you met someone new who is your level financially, spirituality, energetically, and Judgment is a revert feeling, like we are coming back to life, feeling like we are being able to be our true authentic self with this new person. Let's see. Hierophant. This is a kind of like long-term potential feelings. This is the strong. He know what he needs, and this is not a player type energy. He's a family type energy, and he knows what he wants from you, what he wants in his relationship. So Hierophant here, everything about to be your true authentic self, knowing that you have the power. You love the control in that situation, and it could be dealing with the Taurus also. This is a Taurus sign, the Hierophant, or any earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or it could be not. It could be a situation, a person that leads to marriage with the Hierophant card and the King of Cups. Beautiful energy with the lots of emotions, loves, what you want, anything else that. This is what you want. The long-term potential have a lot of emotions for you. Emotionally loving, caring type personality. Definitely, there you could be dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign, or in a water sign also. It could be both in their chart, or it could be both in your chart. Water sign also, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, definitely you could be dealing with the water sign and the earth sign too. I think that right now things are evolving slowly but surely. Let's see what's coming for you. Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment in this connection is here. The Nine of Cups. So you could be dealing with the water sign or earth sign. I think that right now things are evolving slowly but surely with someone. They are feeling like they are a little bit slow towards you. There's definitely attraction, a connection. They might be a little bit more emotional than you are. You might be able to really get in tune with your emotion side when it comes to your them. Look, Five of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. You might be able to really get in tune with your emotional side. When it comes to them, they feel like a wish come true. But again, when we see in the Knight of Cups here, it's also the process of getting to this perfect of Ten of Cups. So you are going to have to be patient a little bit. I know your Leo singles are not want because to I know this Leo singers are not one patiently waiting for this connection or for move these things towards something bigger with the Hierophant here. But you have to do this if you want this loving relationship towards you. Nine of Cups, it's also the process of getting to this perfect Ten of Cups. So you are going to take so you are going to have to be patient, and I know you don't want to hear to be patient. Look, Fool is here. If you want this in your life, the new beginnings, your wish fulfillment with the Hierophant and King of Cups, beautiful reading. So you have to wait patiently for this, a little bit patient. You are working, you're putting your efforts into this situation with the Six of Pentacles to get this Hierophant, wish fulfillment, and a new beginning with the lots of emotions and loves. It could be romantic partner also. But that's what just the way I know. Some of you have been patiently for long enough time. But there's definitely a love coming in your way towards his Venus role. Okay, let's Cups. Page of Cups. Someone is going to be making a move. Someone coming in and letting you know that how they feel towards you. You could be getting an email, text, or someone being, let's go for a movie, let's go to this, let's go have some fun. It might start with a friendship, something more casual in the beginning, and it feels really good. Because the Page of Cups is a lot about how we play, how we have fun, and let ourselves just be kids for a while. Childlike personality. It could be them or it could be you. And not think with our ego work. Lots of people have ego in their connection. They let their ego in this connection. Okay. Four of Cups. It's like when someone texts you or when you text someone to really respect the timing. You don't have to answer to the person right away. Actually check in with yourself and see if it feels good to you or not. Right, Leo singles? So let's see the potential outcome for the Leo singles with this person, new person. Let's see the potential outcome. Okay. For the potential outcome, you have Six of Wands. You are moving towards Vixley with the Ten of Pentacles and the Strength. This is the Leo card, Strength. So what I see, there is a lot of potential with this person. This is the kind of energy you manifested, and I feel like when you meet them, they might not be your usual type, to be honest. Especially physically, they might not be usual type of people that you want to be around or that you had in the past. But I think that this is going to be one of your strengths of the relationship. Two opposite creating a beautiful balance. So it could definitely be a water sign or earth sign, a fire sign too, but it doesn't have to be. Pentacles and the Strength, this is your energy. So the potential outcome, a long lasting stable relationship, a feeling of being fulfilling or fulfilled, a feeling of being your true authentic self with the Hierophant, being able to show the deepest part of you with that person. It is an equal give and take. It is an equal give and take when it comes to love. It's two people carry each other in the heart space, and I feel like it would be just starting with hanging out with the person. Then slowly, it takes the next level of your relationship with this person. So take your time, Leo, and don't let your ego in this situation, or don't let them, right? So I'll get some oracle messages from the universe. So let's see what's coming for you. Give me 3 oracle messages for the Leo singles out there. Okay, this one. 2 more. Okay, 3. Lots of bonus you have. So let's see, Leo, what's coming for you. You are not gonna be in the darkness forever. The sun will come out. Definitely sun is your card. The strength is also here. Let's see. I am sending you messages through your dreams. Definitely you are you getting messages through your dreams by the universe or this person. You are not alone. I am always with you. What you are experiencing, is part of your soul contract. Your soul contract, what you're experiencing to get this new love, the new beginning with the full hair. This person has marriage potential. What I said. The Hierophant is here. The Hierophant is here, and this person has a marriage potential. The wedding, these 2 pillars. Definitely there is a marriage take place in this situation with this person. So Leo singles, that's all for today. I hope it resonates to you. Please subscribe my channel and support me, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.